Taking shower is an important everyday routine. Starting your day after a luxurious bath makes you feel fresh and energetic throughout the day. So, it is very important to find a soap that suits you. But this could be a little difficult as there are so many options to choose from. From drugstore to high-end, from organic to handmade, there are so many options available. You can also choose to go in for bath bombs or shower gels. To make this a little simple for you, today I am starting my soap review series. In this, I will review soaps across all price points. I will review good options from drugstore, good premium soaps, and also good soaps available in the international market. I will also be reviewing premium bath and body set from different brands. So if you are interested in this, please subscribe to my channel and press the bell button to stay notified for all our future videos. With this, I welcome you all to my channel. In this video, I am going to be reviewing the 3 variants of the Dove Beauty Bar. Like the original Beauty Bar, these also have 1/4 moisturizing cream in them. But is there any major difference in these is what we will find out in this video. So stay tuned till the end. This is the Go Fresh Fresh Moisture Beauty Bar. It comes inside this box. This beauty bar has extracts of cucumber and green tea scent in it. I love its color. It smells like fresh cucumber. This beauty bar may be beneficial for people who have acne-prone skin, oily skin, or combination skin. It did not make my skin dry. Let us compare this with the original Beauty Bar. This is the ingredient list of the original Beauty Bar. And this is the ingredient list of the cucumber and green tea extract Beauty Bar. If you see at the top, it very clearly mentions that this beauty bar has cucumber and green tea scent in it. And if you observe minutely, you will find that these ingredients are there in the ingredient list. They are mentioned in the 4th and the 5th line of the ingredients. Now let us compare the second variant. This is the Go Fresh Revive Beauty Bar. It comes inside a similar packaging. This has a very mild fragrance. It is very comfortable on skin. If I compare the fragrance of this with the original Beauty Bar, this is slightly more floral than the original Beauty Bar. Now let us compare the ingredients of this beauty bar with the original Beauty Bar. If you see at the top, it does not state if it has any additional ingredients or anything extra added in it. And even if you go ahead and compare the ingredient list of this one with the original Beauty Bar, you will find that most of them are similar. In fact, the first 7 are the same. The results were also very similar to the original Beauty Bar. So I am assuming it is just that it has a different fragrance. Now let us compare the third variant. This is the Pink Rosa Beauty Bar. It has a very beautiful pink color. It comes inside this cardboard packaging. This also has a very mild fragrance. It is slightly more talc-like or floral and not very similar to the original Beauty Bar. When I used it, I felt this also gave me a very similar result like the original Beauty Bar. It was gentle and it did not make my skin dry. Let's have a look at the ingredient list of this one. If you see at the top, this also does not state if there are any additional or extra ingredients in this. And if you compare the ingredient list of this with the original beauty bar, you may again not find much of a difference in both. In my opinion, this is very similar to the original beauty bar. It is just that the fragrance is different. After comparing the three to the original beauty bar, we can say that it is only the green soap which has different ingredients and might deliver a different result. As the Go Fresh Revive and Pink Rosa are very similar to the original beauty bar, you can just make a choice between the original one and these two. They will have a very similar result. I hope you find this video useful. If you like it, then please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Also, press the bell button to stay notified for all our future videos. Bye-bye.